My conditions for today. Oh, I love the fog. Love the fog. Today I'm using the MineLab Equinox 800 and I'm on a 8. I don't know if that's a design on that or not. It kind of seems like it could be. Alright, on we go. Wow, 19. That was a choppy signal. And I said, yeah, I think that's something there. I had to check it both ways. I see something right here. I see something right here. What is that? What is that? It looks like a possible lamp part. I want to say that's a lamp part. Oh no, it's a toe tap. I think it's a mangled up toe tap. You can see right there the holes where the nails would have gone. Yep, toe tap. All right, awesome, super cool. We'll take it all day long. Well, guys, this was a 7, 8. So might be a small piece of pewter. That was a button, tiny little button. Sweet. Little tiny cuff. Shank's still there. And we'll get it cleaned up, get you a picture. On we go. Cheers. Oh, I didn't even get done digging. Right there it is. Oh, nice. Nice. Tomback. Nothing on it. These tombacks have been all plain. Everything's been plain in here. Not even a hint of a design. Love it though. I'm super stoked. This little tiny coil is cutting through this crazy iron and getting us some goodies. On we go, guys. Cheers. Pretty sure that's the end of a spoon, or maybe a fork. Pewter all day long. Alright. Blaring signal. I think it was right around a 9 or 10. 11 maybe. But yeah. Alright. This one's starting to make me wonder. But we will most certainly dig that right there. And hope for the best. Hope for the best. Oh, right there it is. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Sweetness. Man, that was blaring at me. That's going to be a copper button. Pretty sure of that. Sorry about the fingers, guys. Got my gloves on. Yeah. It's a nice one. Alright, on we go, guys. No time to waste. Only one Saturday a week. Alright, cheers. 14 in here. Oh yeah. Right there it is. Something right there. Something right there. What do we got? Oh, is that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's the first. That is the first off of this site that I have found. And it's looking like it's the later style. But that is going to be a shoe buckle frame piece. You can see the hole there where the pin would have gone. Awesome. Let me get you better pics of that. I knew they had to be here. It was just a matter of time. I wish it was a little bigger piece, obviously, but that's the way it goes. Beaten to death by the plow. On we go. Cheers. Yep, working the iron. There's a 12. Nice little 12 there. It's in here. Oh, I think it's right there. Check that out. Sweet. Sweet stuff, man. That looks like pewter. We'll clean it up and get you better pics. That one there is a little bit rough. Still got the shank though. Alrighty, on we go. Flat iron has a way of doing that to you sometimes. But let's see what we got here. I'm right in the thick of things here as far as the Housesite goes. Let's see what kind of brick and pottery comes up here. Alright, little guy, what do we got? It's in that clump right there. That is a good sign. It could be a copper. It's kind of ringing low for a copper. Oh, look at that. Oh, there it is too. We got pottery, and we got a big old round something or other. It's probably going to be a... Oh, I don't see a shank. I don't feel a shank. It fell down here somewhere. I have to find my hand here. There it is. What is that? Is this going to be a half cent? What do you think, guys? Is that a half cent? Alright, well, let me clean it up. It's definitely way too wet to mess with it too much. But, oh, I see something there. I see something already. I'm stoked. Alright, well, that will be right there. That looks like a curtain rod holder or something. Crazy. Yeah, I don't know. It's got a screw hole in it too. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for this coin to dry. Let's take it out of my pocket and see what we got here. Oh, there it is. It's going to be a drape bust, half cent. Oh, sweet. I can see it already. You see it? Sweet. All right, let me clean that off a little better, and I'll get back to you. Got one of them really low, like 9 signals. Part of a pocket watch, like the end of it, or pocket knife, sorry. The end of a pocket knife. Just half of it. Okay, that's my guess. Alright, on we go. Cheers. That's a 16 there. I don't know, guys. Over here somewhere. Is that it right there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a 2. No. I don't know. Maybe it is a 2-piece. Does that have something on it? Or what's on that? I think it's just a design. What do you think? Alright. Super cool. 2-piece, I'm pretty sure. It's gonna be a later one. With a fancy schmancy design on it. Cool deal. Alright. On we go. Cheers. Oh my goodness, guys. It's 11:40 and it's still super foggy. Pretty cool. Anyway, I came up on a signal here. Now, there it is. Right there. What is that? Oh, we're getting the smalls today, boy. I tell you what. Look at that button. Oh, man. Yeah, it's a tiny one. cool. Look at that shank. Look at this shank. It's so off center, it's not even funny. Oh my goodness, that is funny. Well, this was underneath this pile of, I call it fodder. 20. Oh, I see something right there. Starting to pop. I want to say that's going to be a dandy button. Oh, no way. It's a copper. That's a copper, baby. Alrighty, sweet. It's got to be British with those numbers ringing up a 2022. Should be like a 28 for an American, up to 30. 32 even. So I don't know. Sweet. Alright, on we go. I'll get you pics. Cheers.